My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Volvo V60. This vehicle was done just under 10,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we have applications on the first page. On the second we have smartphone integration, Bluetooth and navigation. And on our final page we have our car functions, which include park assist and connected safety. The V60 also comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a cream leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.